How to fix backup couldn't be completed because of poor network on iPhone. So if you want to fix backup couldn't be completed because of poor network on iPhone, then just watch this video. First solution is you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So open up any web browser. After that, search for fast.com to check your internet speed. If your connection is slow, then try turning on airplane mode for a few seconds. Just wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data as well. Also try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router to improve the connection. If that doesn't work, then the second solution is to turn off or turn on the iCloud backup. For that, you need to open up your settings application. Next, you need to tap on your Apple ID, which will be on the top. After that, you need to scroll down, go with iCloud. From here, you need to tap on iCloud backup. Once you tap on it, toggle off the backup for a few seconds, tap on turn off, and then wait for a few seconds, then again turn it on. After that, you can check that your issue might be gone. But if it's still there, then the third solution is you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with general, then scroll down again, and you will find an option of transfer reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on reset. Now go with reset all settings, which will be in the top, then enter your password and tap on reset network settings again, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.